I welcome you again to this episode of Physical Geography, where today I come up with different multiple choice questions. But before talking about those multiple choice questions, I would like to remind you 6 things as written there on this blackboard. There are several multiple choice questions that we are going to talk about, from question 1 up to question number 9. Here we have the important things that we are going to talk about. Let's start by 1. The biggest or the largest ocean in the world. Normally over the world you have main 5 oceans. We have 5 oceans. But the biggest among those 5 oceans is Pacific Oceans. While the smallest ocean in the world, it is Arctic Ocean. It is Arctic Ocean. Let's go to the point number 2. The total number of the ocean in the world are 5. So meaning that the total number of the oceans found on this world are 5. Let's go to the point number 3. The deepest lake in Africa is Tanganyika. In the world is Lake Baikal. So it means the deepest lake in Africa is Tanganyika, while in the world is Lake Baikal. Then the largest or the biggest lake in Africa is called Lake Victoria, while the biggest lake in the world is called Lake Superior, which is found in North America. Then let's see, the total number of the continents in the world are 7. And the smallest ocean in the world is Arctic Ocean. Let's go back to the multiple choice question. According to what we learned here, we are going to answer those multiple choice questions. Which of the following is the biggest ocean in the world? Referring to what we saw previously, we have seen previously, we are going to see which of the following is the biggest or the largest ocean in the world. A. Atlantic Ocean. No. B. Indian Ocean. C. Pacific Ocean. D. Arctic Ocean. So the correct answer is C, which is Pacific Ocean. The C, which is the Pacific Ocean. So meaning that this Pacific Ocean, it is the biggest ocean, it is the largest ocean all over the world. Let's go to the question number 2. The total number of the oceans in the world is, so they give us different number. They want us to choose which one is corresponding to the correct total number of the ocean in the world. We have different numbers. A, 9, B, 7, C, 5, D, 12. So the correct number is C, which is 5. So meaning that the total number of the ocean all over the world are 5. Let's go to the question number 3. The question number 3 is asking the deepest lake in Africa is, they give us different lakes of find in Africa, but they want us to choose which one is the deepest. We have A, Lake Victoria, B, Lake Chad, C, Lake Edward, D, Lake Tanganyika. So the correct answer is D, because the deepest lake in Africa, as we saw previously, is Lake Tanganyika, which is D. This is Lake Tanganyika, and it is the deepest lake in Africa. Let's go to the question number 4. The question number 4 is asking which of the following is the biggest or the largest lake in Africa. They give us different examples of Lake of Africa, but they want us to choose which one is the biggest. A, Lake Tanganyika. B, Victoria. C, Eyasi. D, Kivu. So the correct answer is B, because this Lake Victoria, it is the largest or the biggest lake in Africa. I think this question is clear and easy to understand. Let me go to the question number 5. The question number 5 is asking how many continents do we have over the world. How many continents do we have over the world? A, 7, B, 6, C, 5, D, 9. So the correct answer is A, because the continents of the world are 7 in number. The number of those continents are 7. We have 7 continents. Remember that the big one is the continent of Asia. The second one is the continent of Africa. Third, the continents of North America, South America, Europe, the continent of Antarctica, and finally we have the continent of Oceania or Australia. Let's go to the question number 6. One of the following is the smallest ocean in the world. They give us different examples of ocean of the world, but they want us to choose which one is the smallest. So A, Pacific, B, Atlantic, C, Indian, D, Arctic. So the correct answer is D, because Arctic, it is the smallest continent. It is the smallest continent all over the world. Let's go to the question number 7. The question number 7 is asking, in which ocean of the world where Bermuda Triangle is found? So we have the Bermuda Triangle, and it is found in one of the following oceans: A, Indian Ocean; B, Pacific Ocean; C, Arctic Ocean; D, Atlantic Ocean. So this triangle of Bermuda is found in Atlantic Ocean. It is where this triangle of Bermuda is found. Let's go to the question number 8. The deepest lake in the world is Tanganyika, B, Superior, C, Victoria, D, Baikal. So the biggest lake, the deepest lake over the world, it is Lake Baikal. Lake Baikal. Lake Baikal, it is the biggest lake over the world. Let's go to the question number 9. Which of the following is not a faulted mountain? Or this faulted mountain is otherwise called Broke Mountain or Host Mountain. So meaning that they give us different examples of hosts or Broke Mountain or faulted mountain, but they want us to choose or to select which one is not a faulted mountain or a Broke Mountain. A, Rwenzori; B, Kilimanjaro; C, Peya; D, Usambara. So the correct answer is B, because Kilimanjaro, it is not a Broke Mountain, it is not a faulted mountain, but Kilimanjaro is a volcanic mountain. It is a volcanic mountain. I think those questions are very special. Thank you very much for watching.